do this on My Friends by Lowertown. Transition. Okay, so this song's pretty cool. Good rockin' song. Starts on the E, B, B flat. That's the verse. E, B flat. And all power chords. It's that like 8 times. Then we go to the chorus. The chorus is D, E, F sharp, C sharp. Sometimes they go straight to the F sharp, and then they hit the E on the way back to C sharp. So then there's a little transition. Right, that goes after the chorus to get back to the verse. This is what the last verse they play a variation on that. So that's just a variation, but the melody doesn't change. So it's a fun song. It's good to practice your power chords. Bye.